2 months ago, my kettlebell YouTube channel had 100 subscribers, and today it's now got over 450. So I have 4x'd my engagement in the last 2 months. Now, this hasn't been from luck, it's not necessarily been from posting more either, but what I've done is built a simple AI system that does all the thinking before I press record. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I used AI to generate better video ideas, to upgrade my titles, my thumbnails and descriptions for search engine optimization, build an email squeeze page to generate an email list for me, and then I'm going to automate follow-up emails that's going to turn that attention into opportunity for future business for me. This is also the same system that me and my partner Crystal are going to use within Algonyx to help you build your business. So as you can see from this YouTube dashboard, my subscribers have gone up by 263 in the last 28 days, which is 416% more, which I think is absolutely insane. And the only real difference here is that I've been using AI as a tool to help grow with my engagement. So for me, I've been using ChatGPT to help me with generating ideas for videos, creating scripts, giving me thumbnail ideas, titles and descriptions. Now, what I did here was to generate a master prompt for my kettlebell videos. If you want help with how to create a system prompt or a master prompt, I'm going to find a link and I'm going to put that in the description to show you how to do that. Because I've got this master prompt, I can now just tell it the context about what I want it to be able to do. And then from here, it's churned out all of this stuff to help me with what I need to do. Now, the thing to emphasize here is that this is a tool to help. This isn't going to give me the full picture. It's probably going to give me maybe 90%, and it's up to me to then put in the final 10% to give it what is the actual good content of the video to make it what it is. I am still the brand. I am still in control of how this video is going to turn out. Now, once I've recorded this video, I then put this up on YouTube and people were left to be able to go and watch it. Now, this one in particular has done very well. So if we give this one a click and show you what it looks like. In the description of this video,
most people
thank you,
pick the wrong kettlebell weight.
So in this video, when we look at this, so the title is something that it's suggested to me and we've tweaked. And then in the description, we have got a link here which links us to our squeeze page. Now, from there, if someone has liked my video enough that they want to engage with that, they give this a click, they're going to fill in their name and their email address, and then from there, it will give them the resource that I've promised in the video. In return for that, they've then given me their email address. So from clicking that link, it's taken us to our squeeze page, which has given them access to my beginner kettlebell program. So when they put in their name and email address into there and click get workout, AI in the background has collated that data, then sent them an email with the product that I've promised, and in return I've got their data, which adds to my email list, which means that they are a business opportunity for future for me to email them with any offers that I have got. In a very similar way, there's going to be a link in the description to this video for you to do the same thing. There's many more things that Algonyx is going to be able to help you and your business with. So if you put your details in there for us, we're going to be able to email you with how we can potentially help you and your business in the future. And it's going to take you to this page. So don't forget that link in the description, send me your email so I can tell you about everything else that we can do. So the biggest win for me personally wasn't necessarily about all the growth. It was all the clarity and all the time it gave me to be able to think about how I wanted to produce the video rather than coming up with all of the extra bits in between. So I spent more time producing a quality product, which meant it's given me more engagement. The AI didn't replace me, it just enhanced what I was able to do. This is just a small example of the systems and flows that we at Algonyx are going to be able to potentially help you and your businesses with. So don't forget that link in the description, send us your details and we'll be in contact with you to talk to you about what offers we've got for you in future. Also, up here somewhere, there's going to be another video for you to click on that's going to talk to you about how I've used AI to set up some goal setting. So give that one a click. See you there.